Hey guys, Brady with Pegasus Solar here. Today I want to drop the tailgate and talk to you about a new rev of an old product of ours, and that's the L-Foot and our comp mount kits. Now, everything you need is still kitted out in this box of 24, so 2 or 3 of them is typically all you need. So the first thing you're going to notice is that there's a new box inside of it. That is the box of our 25 dovetail T-bolts in a box of 24 mounts, so that way you have an extra bolt in case you ever drop one or anything like that. Next thing is that you still have the brown paper bag of our lags with the EPDM washers already attached. Brown paper bag so we can be more eco-friendly. The next thing you're gonna notice is that our flashings still come nice and stacked neatly inside this box, and that's because our one-piece elevated seal, I call it the Volcano, makes it to where we can stack all these nice and neat. And that brings us to our new L-Foot. The new sleek design fits our flashing better to improve our already industry-leading waterproofing. It also has open slot on the L-Foot to make dropping of that T-bolt a lot easier, and you can install on either side of the L-Foot. So that's it, guys. That's the new L-Feet. So why don't you make the switch so you can see why Pegasus is helping you guys have a better day on the job.